In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add spoiler tag on Reddit. If you've made a post that contains plot details, surprise moments, or anything else you don't want to reveal right away, adding a spoiler tag is a simple way to help other Reddit users avoid seeing that information too soon. This is especially useful for posts about movies, TV shows, games, books, or live events where people may not be caught up yet. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can update your post quickly and easily. To get started, go to Reddit. You can do this in your web browser by visiting the Reddit website and making sure you're signed into the correct account. If you're not logged in, take a moment to do that first because you'll need access to your own profile and your own posts in order to add the spoiler tag. Once you're on Reddit, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can access different options related to your account. If you have multiple accounts or you're switching between profiles, just make sure you're selecting the one that actually created the post you want to edit. From that menu, click View Profile. This will take you to your profile page where you can see the posts you've created. Depending on how active your account is, you may need to scroll a little to find the specific post that needs the spoiler tag. It can help to look at the title carefully so you choose the correct one. When you find your post, click the three dots on that post. This opens a menu with additional actions you can take. These extra options usually include things like editing, saving, or adjusting post settings, and this is where the spoiler option is located. Now click Add Spoiler Tag. As soon as you select it, Reddit will mark the post as a spoiler. That means the content will be hidden or labeled appropriately, helping protect other users from accidentally seeing information they may want to avoid. And that's all there is to it. Once the spoiler tag is added, your post is updated immediately. If you want to double check, just look at the post again and confirm that the spoiler label is now visible. This is a good habit anytime you're posting content that might reveal major details. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add spoiler tag on Reddit.